Welcome everyone. Now we are in the sixth question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we're already done. You can subscribe to our channel and listen. In the 2022 mains of geography, we have 10 questions. There we have sixth question that says what are the forces that influence ocean currents. You have to mention some about ocean currents and you should mention about the forces of the influence. That is, first one is about a basic definition. You don't need to write the definition, but what exactly are ocean currents? How wind moving from one place to other place carry water along with that is called ocean current. A simple definition you can write. For example, we have more temperature, right? We have temperature in one area which is less. This is low pressure. This is high pressure. High pressure. Wind moves from high pressure to low pressure. While wind is moving in a sea, it will carry water also along with that. As cloud in the sky, in the ground, it will push some of the water in the sea. That called as ocean current. You can write in pressure point of view, or temperature point of view, or land and sea difference, or to ocean difference because of latitude. It's up to you. You have so much of choice to choose any one. But concept is important. Start the answer with ocean currents. Then write down influence of various factors on ocean currents. That is second part of the answer. Third part of the answer that you are supposed to write is fishing industry of the world. So first one is solved. Now we will go to second and third. How you have to write the remaining answer? You can mention any one particular part. You don't need to draw the complete diagram, but drawing the diagram is very important. Don't think like you are wasting space here. You have a limited space. Limited time. But 1 minute extra on this diagram, at least 1/4 of the pace will attract at least 1 mark. That makes huge difference. So you can mention any of this. For example, straits and isthmuses play crucial role in converting ocean currents or changing ocean currents. Bays and gulf can also change ocean currents. And various factors, look at this carefully. Factors that influence ocean currents. Temperature you can type, latitudes you can write. Because in equator we have more temperature, more heat water is piling up. All the ocean currents that goes away from equator are red in color, called as warm currents. That comes from the cold, north or south, those are blue in color. You can mention that. Latitude plays a crucial role. Along with that, development in some sectors plays a crucial role. Or you can see the land gulfs and bays and isthmus and strait and all this plays a very crucial role in splitting the current or diverting the current. That is one logic you have to answer. Along with that, various currents that comes from various parts of the channels and marginal seas has a crucial role in changing the direction. You have to mention, you can take any one part, you don't need to take the complete part. But what is the third point that is mentioned? Fishing grounds. Wherever we have hot and cold current meets, that is the ideal place for formation of fog. That is ideal place for the growth of the fishes also. So you can see Oyashio, Kuroshio. In the east of Japan, fish culture is heavy because fish production is heavy. The same time we have in the Labrador and Gulf Stream current, the real estate of Newfoundland Island is highest in the world. Not just that, but the fishing zones of Newfoundland Island is very much higher. At the same time, we have west of USA. These are the two major points we have as a fishing grounds. So you can mention fishing grounds. For example, if you take equatorial fishes which are so thin in nature, polar fishes which are so thick in nature because of the climate, because of the turbidity of the water, cold and hot water. You can mention along with that. But diversity is more in equator than compared to northern regions. Fish diversity, not human diversity. So fish diversities you can mention. Fishing zones, for example, in the coast of Peru, as you can see, these are the few factors: heating by the solar energy, wind, Coriolis force, yes, gravity, temperature of water. For example, gravity is also one factor. El Nino La Nina is also one factor. I will show you how. Whenever there is a La Nina condition, when this will be the heat zone and all the water gets diverted to the west, the hot water will be going away. The dense cold water will be coming up. While they coming up below the sea, it will bring nutrients along with that, and huge fishing grounds will be developed in the west of South America when La Nina conditions do happen. So you can mention this is also one condition. Yes. So there are so many conditions, because this is a vast syllabus and vast concepts. You have to choose a specific to fill your 2 pages of answer or 2 sides of answer in 1 page. Whatever topic you choose, whatever topic you want to write, have clarity in that. Clarity. Don't mess with 100 topics. 1 topic, explain neatly. 2 topics, explain clearly. 3 topics, good. 10 topics, disaster. Again, you have to manage in other subject or other year. So don't do that. So that is about 6th question of ocean currents. We have seen ocean currents. What are the factors that do change? You have to write down the factors, and last third half of the answer you can write about fishing grounds. Right? The next video I will be discussing about 7th question. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.